Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. Now the battery on these cars is located under the front hood. It's very easy accessible, it's right here. Now before you can remove the terminals, first you will have to remove the battery holder, which is on top of the battery and it's securing the battery in place. It's gonna be held by two 10mm nuts, one on each side. Now if you want, you can remove both of these. If not, you can just remove one and then just turn this holder to the side while you are removing the battery. Once you have removed the nuts, now you can remove the holder as well, and now the battery will be completely loose. The next thing is to loosen up and remove the battery terminals. Now one very important thing here, always first you want to remove the negative battery terminal and then the positive. And when you are connecting the new battery in, always first connect the positive and then the negative. You are doing this just to avoid any kind of shorts. So you want to just loosen up this nut on top of the negative battery terminal. You don't want to completely remove it, just loosen it up enough so you can wiggle this terminal of the battery. Just like this. Now sometimes if the battery wasn't removed for a long time, this will get quite stuck onto the battery poles, and then you will have to maybe use a flat screwdriver just to try and pry it underneath while wiggling this off. If you still cannot do it, then you can also try to use a hammer and a flat screwdriver and tap here between these openings to get it loose and then wiggle it off. Usually it will be easy to remove it, but like I said, sometimes you'll have to put a bit of effort to get it off. And once the negative is off, now you can do the same thing with the positive. So just want to loosen up this nut on the top. You don't want to touch any other nuts there. And on this one, this whole assembly goes off, right? Okay. Okay, and that's it. Once you have everything disconnected, you can just pull the battery out and install the new battery the same way. And I will repeat one more time. When installing the new battery, always first connect the positive battery terminal and then the negative, right? Just to avoid any kind of short. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.